my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Education by Shiraz Gogoi once again. Today we will discuss about class 10 chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. That means concept of pair of linear equation in two variables, full concept. In the last videos we were discussed about chapter number 2 and 3. These videos links are given in the description box. Please watch the video. Then let's continue with this topic, pair of linear equations in two variables. Before starting this topic, you should know about pair of linear equations in two variables meaning. Linear equation in two variables. Linear equation meaning if an equation variable's highest power is 1, ax plus b equal 0. See, one equation ax plus b equals 0 where a and b are constant and x is a variable, that it is called linear equation in one variable. Why? See, there is only one variable, that is x, but our chapter name is linear equations in two variables. That means apply two variables. Then ax plus by plus c equal 0. ax plus by plus c equal 0. See here how many variables? X, y, two variables, and their powers are here no power meaning 1, no power meaning 1. So it is called linear equation in two variables. But again, see one more word given, pair. Pair meaning two equations. So write one more equation, ax plus by plus c equal 0. I wrote one more equation, that is ax plus by plus c equal 0. But we have confused which one is the first and which one is second. Confused or not? Because both are same equations. So apply some different name, a1, b1, c1. Second equation meaning a2, b2, c2. See, now we got two different equations. That means a1x, this one. See, same line. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, and the second equation is, see, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. See, we got two linear equations. Two linear equations with two variables. That means pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, these are the general form of pair of linear equation in two variables. But in class 10, our main topic is if two lines are there, two equations or two lines same meaning. Two lines meaning one line, one more line. Okay, now question is, these two lines will intersect at one point, or both lines will be parallel or coincident. Coincident meaning one on the other. See, okay, let me explain. If two equations given, means two lines given, two line may be intersect each other. Intersect meaning, see, both lines intersect at one point. Next, maybe both lines parallel. Railway crossing, see, two lines may be parallel, maybe one on the other. See, here two lines on the other. Okay, maybe they are satisfying out of three any one condition. But question is, when will they satisfy this one condition, or that one? It is called intersecting line. Intersecting lines. It is called parallel lines, and it is called coincident lines. Intersecting lines, parallel lines, and coincident lines. If two equations, already I said a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, and the second equation is a2x b2y plus c2 equals 0. Now these two equations will intersect at one point, or parallel or coincident. That is the question. So first condition is number 1. Condition number 1. if A1 by A2 is not equal B1 by B2, if A1 by A2 answer is not equal with B1 by B2, then the line will intersect at one point. Intersect. This means this one condition. Intersect at one point. Next condition number 2, if A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal C1 by C2. That means A1 by A2 answer is equal with B1 by B2 answer and equal with C1 by C2. Then they are coincident. This one condition. Coincident. The both lines are coincident, means one on the other. Next, the third condition is if A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2. A1 by A2 answer is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal C1 by C2. Not equal C1 by C2. And the both lines are, we can say, parallel. Lines are parallel. Parallel means no intersecting point. Intersect meaning they intersect at one point. This one. Coincident meaning infinite number of solutions. Means they intersect at each and every point. That is called coincident. And parallel meaning no intersecting point. Okay, clear point? Next, one more condition related to this one topic. See, about consistent and inconsistent. Consistent and inconsistent. Consistent and inconsistent. What is this? Consistent and inconsistent. Consistent means if two lines intersect at any one point or 2 point or 100 points, that is called consistent point. If not intersect, then it's inconsistent. Okay, now see the condition number 1. Here two lines intersect or not. Two lines intersect, therefore it is called consistent. It is called consistent point. Again, see, coincident meaning intersect at every point, therefore it is called consistent point. But parallel means never intersect. So for the inconsistent, only this one. This one meaning this one also. That means if A1 by A2 is not equal B1 by B2, then consistent. If A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal C1 by C2, then again consistent. Again, if A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 but not equal C1 by C2, then inconsistent. Then for the inconsistent, only one point. In shortcut, we can say if intersect, then consistent. If not intersect, then inconsistent. Okay, now let's take one example. How to apply this one conditions. See, two equations given, twice x plus thrice y plus 5 equals 0, and one more equation, 7x plus 5y plus 6 equals 0. Now question is that given two equations intersect at one point or intersect at infinite number of points, means coincident point or parallel lines. See, this one first value is called a1, because see this one a1. Next second one value is called b1. This one is b1, and a constant value is called c1. Similarly, in the second equation, first value is called a2. It is called b2, and constant is called c2. Now find a1 by a2 value. a1 by a2. a1 value is 2. b1 value is, sorry, a2 value is 7. See, we got a1 by a2 value 2 by 7. Next, b1 by b2. b1 by b2. b1 value is 3. b2 value is 5. See, now observe, 2 by 7 and 3 by 7, are they equal? See, no, 2 by 7 and 3 by 5, they are not equal. So a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2. This one. That means both lines intersect at one point. If a1 by a2 answer is equal with b1 by b2, then set c1 by c2 equal or not. If a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2, then no need to solve about c1 by C2. Why? Because there is no option for equal or not. Similarly, one more example. Twice x plus 6y plus 7 equals 0. And one more equation. 10x 30y plus 8 equals 0. Two equations given. Now question is, the given two equations intersect at one point or intersect at many points or not intersect. Means intersect, coincident or parallel. Then same condition. See, first one value is called a1. Here it is called a2. Here a1 by a2 value, a1 by a2. See, 2 by 10, simplest from 1 by 5. Next, b1 by b2, b1 by b2 value, b1 by b2, 6 by 30, then again answer 1 by 5. Now see, a1 by a2 and b1 b2, both answers are same. If a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2, then find c1 by c2. Then c1 by c2 equal c1 value 7 by 8. 7 by 8. But see, a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2, but not equal c1 by c2. Which one condition satisfying? See, 1, 2, 3. Third condition. a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2, but not equal c1 by c2. So this equation answer is parallel. The given equations are parallel. They have no intersecting point. Next, about consistent, inconsistent. See, same condition. Now we got 1 by 5, 1 by 5. At last 7 by 8. That means first two conditions are equal and the third condition is not equal. It means parallel. Parallel means no intersecting point. If no intersecting point, that means inconsistent. Clear point? Okay. These are the main concept. Consistent or inconsistent, intersect or not intersect. Again, summary about this concept. If two lines intersect at one point, or if a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2, then intersect at one point. If a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2, then infinite number of intersecting points, that means one on the other. That means coincident line. And the third condition is, if a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2, but not equal c1 by c2, then no intersecting point, that means parallel line. And the next point was consistent or inconsistent. If two lines intersect means consistent, coincident meaning intersect, therefore consistent, and parallel means no intersecting point, therefore inconsistent. Okay, these are the main topic for this chapter. Okay, thank you.